a household biomass clean cook stove based on pyrolysis and successive combustion of its reaction products, gases and biochar. Hanhui Li, the affiliated high school of South China Normal University, China. Components and stove construction: rotary drum-type pyrolytic reactor, rotator, cap of rotator, damper screen inside inner shell of rotator, gears of rotator, motor, supporting pulleys, stator, outermost shell of stator, insulating layer, heating device of pyrolysis, insulating layer, electric heating radiation layer, insulating layer of rotator, rotary joint of combustible gas, limiting pulleys, rotary joint of combustible gas, rotary joint of air, combustible gas vent of rotator, air entry of rotator. Gas storage cabinet, combustible gas entry of gas storage cabinet, combustible gas entry of gas storage cabinet, water supply entry of gas storage cabinet, water supply valve, air valve, water level gauge, gas cooker, combustible entry of cooker burner, air entry of cooker burner, combustor, cooker burner, smoke vent of combustor, cooking pan, controller, regulating valve, check valve, air valve, blowing machine, hydro valve, remaining heat collecting water box with dust elimination, remaining heat collecting water box, dust vent of dust implementation implement, dust elimination implement, air entry of dust elimination implement, air vent of dust elimination implement, inlet valve, drain valve, induced draft fan, clean stove cabinets, gas storage cabinet, cooker cabinet, pulleys of clean stove cabinet. Functions of clean stove: feeding. Take down the cap of the rotary drum-type pyrolytic reactor and feed in biomass, then put the cap back. Starting, turn on the electricity to heat the electric heating layer and/or gather sunshine by the layer of sunshine convergency and irradiation to heat the inner shell of the rotator. Then the temperature of the inner shell of the reactor increases and remains invariant after reaching set valve. Pyrolysis. The rotator keeps rotating. The grinding balls inside pulverizes biomass particles, accelerating pyrolysis process. Pressure inside the inner shell goes up. Gas storage. When the inside of the pressure of the inner shell of the rotator reaches set value, inside gases flows to the gas storage cabinet. Gas supplying. The gas storage cabinet supplies the gas cooker with gases. If the amount of gases produced in the rotary drum-type reactor is bigger than that of gases consumed in the gas cooker, the bell jar of the cabinet goes up. Conversely, it goes down. As a result, the pressure in the gas cooker is able to keep stable. Cooking. High-temperature smoke generated by cooker burner gathers in the combustor. The heat of smoke is absorbed by the cooking pan to finish cooking. Remaining heat. Remaining smoke exchanges heat with water in the water box. The temperature of water increases. The hot water can be used in daily life. Smoke. The cold smoke is cleaned by the dust elimination implement, and then it is emitted to the atmosphere by the induced draft fan. Transition. Turn off the electricity of the electric heating layer and the layer of convergency and irradiation. The controller stops the blowing machine from inputting air to the gas cooker Then the machine input air into the rotary drum-type pyrolysis reactor. Biochar combustion. Air goes into the rotary drum-type reactor. Remaining biochar burns spontaneously when mixing with air. The smoke generated in this process will be released into atmosphere after its energy has been utilized. And after the complete combustion of remaining biochar, the whole cooking process ends. Close. The induced draft fan keeps drawing air until the temperature inside the design drops to a safe value. Innovation. 1. High-efficiency cleanliness. Gas and biochar belong to the category of clean energy. Gas and biochar of biomass pyrolysis could be burned successively to provide energy. Fast pyrolysis. The rotary drum-type pyrolysis reactor provides biomass materials with the same opportunity to contact the inner wall of the rotating rotor. In this reactor, biomass ablation and mass transfer are highly efficient. 3. Wide adaptability of biomass. To eliminate the effect of biomass differences, the pyrolysis temperature, pyrolysis time, rotary speed, and grinding intensity should be adjusted. No need to ignite. Ignition is indispensable in a biomass gasification stove. The emission of dense smoke in this process can pollute atmosphere and threaten people's health severely. By using external energy, pyrolytic stove avoid ignition. In conclusion, this project brings up a new design of household biomass pyrolysis clean cook stove in order to modify cooking conditions of rural families. This clean cook stove can lower the amount of tar, clean up the remaining tar, and increase heat output. Ignition is avoided in the pyrolysis in order to reduce air pollutions. Moreover, users needn't clean up remaining biochar each time. Therefore, the clean cook stove is safe, eco-friendly, efficient, and economic.